took 3 of these dowel rods, okay, just 3 of them. I'm gonna wrap it just in this picnic fun gingham. I just think it's cute, and I like to pull when I'm working with just wrapping ribbon around something. I like to pull the wire because for me it doesn't lay as nicely, so I pull the wire out. Yep. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it from the top here. I might need more. I might need a little bit more, but we'll see. I'm gonna cover the top with the glue, and I'm gonna secure the corners and all that stuff onto the wand, just like that. Okay. Okay, and I'm just gonna start wrapping it. All right, what I'm gonna do is cover this end as well with, look at that, it worked. I'm just gonna go around and kind of crease it at the end and then just clip it. Oh, I'll just wrap it. Wrap it around once and give it some glue. Like that. Okay, so here's the deal. Now I got a wand, cute little stick, right? And I've got these cute little pom-poms that I took off of a garland that I had. I'm going to use the pom-poms for various things, but I've got 4 of them. I don't know if I need 4 of them, but we'll see. We'll see. But what I want to do is I want to use one of these as well to match the hair bow, right? And all I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap it around a couple times. 2, 3 times like that. Very whimsical. Isn't that sweet? How easy was that, right? Okay, I'm going to push it up to the top, right there. Okay, and I'm going to sandwich these little pom-poms on the top of this. Make sure that it's on there good. Cute. Isn't that sweet? What I think I'm going to do though is I'm going to put it on with E6000 and hot glue because I do not want it to come off. Oh, is that going to be cute? I love that. Poof. You're a frog. Okay, what I'm going to do right here in the middle, up here, I'm going to take a little tiny, just a little tiny something. Oh, that's pretty. Just a little round piece that covers up that little hole there where the 4 pom-poms meet. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that sweet? This stuff you can get at Hobby Lobby on a roll, okay? And all you do is you cut it to whatever length you want it to, and you just sew a little seam right here, okay? And I made this today from scrap fabric, okay? It's a little tutu for a little baby girl, okay? So all I did was I alternated the ribbon color, the red, and then, you know, the blue, and I just did like a sequence around the very end of it and then one up from it. That's why it looks so full. That's why it looks so nice and full, because I did 2 full layers of strips of fabric. And all I did was I took the strip of fabric, just like you're seeing, okay? You find the middle and twist it, okay? You want to twist it. And all I did was find a hole to put it through. You find a hole to put it through this side, and then you take it and you put it through the one up from it. just there's there's holes all over this thing. So you find a hole, you put it in, and then if you have a crochet hook, it does make your life infinitely more simple. You put the crochet hook in, you grab your fabric and pull it through, okay? Now you got this. Now you got this little loop, okay? And you're gonna take your tails and you're gonna put it through the loop and pull it tight, okay? And that's how I did it. I pulled it tight.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.